I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Wi-Fi box and confirming essentials, plug it directly into a known live outlet, and connect the incoming WAN cable securely. Once powered, check the label for the default SSID and admin password so you can log in quickly. Make sure your phone or laptop is nearby with Wi-Fi enabled and a charged battery. This prevents interruptions during initial configuration. If LEDs take longer than 2 minutes, wait, but note their pattern for later troubleshooting. You now access the admin page using the router IP or default URL, log in with the label credentials. Once inside, change the admin password immediately and give the Wi-Fi a clear SSID name so devices can identify it. Next, configure wireless security. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 for best protection and enter a strong passphrase. Also set the correct Wi-Fi band to 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed. Once done, save settings and reboot the box to apply changes. You finish by reconnecting your devices to the new SSID and confirming internet access. Test with a web page and a speed check. If performance is poor, update the firmware from the admin menu to fix known issues and improve stability. Make sure channel settings are automatic or choose a less crowded channel using a scanner app. If a device won't connect, reboot the box and the client. If problems persist, perform a factory reset with the PIN and reconfigure. Check the LED codes to pinpoint hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.